This 2026 NuCamp Cirrus 820 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 17 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, awning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, air conditioning, TV, external shower, self-contained, LP detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Cirrus 820 is 2,876 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.